Hi kiddos, Hetzel here. Just wanted to take some time to walk you through your flashcard assignment this week on examtime.com. The first thing you're going to notice is that I am at www.examtime.com. You're going to be clicking on the Join Now button. You are going to be logging in with the red button using your Google account. Since we have Jeffco Google accounts, ExamTime works really well with our system. So you will click Join with Google+. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to Log In, connect with my Google account. Now I have a lot of accounts on my computer, so I'm going to designate that I want it to be through my Jeffco Schools account. It's going to take just a second to load. There we go. Save and close. I don't need to know about that right now. And this is what ExamTime looks like. You're going to have your front page of your recently viewed resources, and this is where any of the resources that you make are going to show up. So now I'm going to show you how to make the flashcards that we're going to use this week. I'm going to hit Create, go down to Flashcards. One thing that is great about the flashcards here on ExamTime is that you really get to personalize them. You really get to make them your own. And so you can notice that you first have the front of the card and the back of a card. Notice that each side of the card has its own control features. So you have the colors right here. I'm going to make this a soft purple. I'm going to change my font to be the Indie Flower, and I want my text to be black. On this one, let's do a soft blue, same Indie Flower, and let's also go black to really separate it out. Now, what I would like you to do this week is create some flashcards for yourself. You have a list over here in our unit of all these different prefixes, suffixes, and root words that you can choose from. You need to choose a total of 25. The first one that I chose is arrow. And arrow is a root word meaning air. Now, notice I chose to keep all of my the meanings for air capitalized. That's just how I do things, so I can get a better understanding of it. I'm also going to upload an image to remind me of what it means. So arrow is a root word meaning air. I'm going to add that to the deck, and then I'm going to create my next card. Now notice my colors and everything have stayed from my first card. So now I'm going to do O-U-S. And O-U-S is a suffix meaning full of. Okay, so now I'm going to even give myself an example. So joyous. Okay, you can feel free to put an example in on your cards or not. You don't have to. On this one, just because O-U-S, it's kind of, I'm actually going to put a dash in there to help me realize what it is. And over here, I'm going to put in example joyous. Okay, maybe you want to upload a picture of someone being extremely joyous. You could do that too. I'm going to add this one to the deck, and then I'm going to come back over to my list, and I'm going to see that AB means from away from. So now I'm going to come in, and I'm going to do AB dash, and this is a prefix meaning away from. Okay, and then I can come back over here and I can say, all right, an example would be abstract or absent. So I'm going to put in example abstract. Okay, And again, here, abstract would mean like away from the norm, okay? Add to deck. Excellent. So now we have, if we scroll down, we can see that we have 3 of our flashcards out of the 25 that you'll be making, made in just a few seconds, guys. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. And now this becomes an actual flashcard deck that I can study. You can shuffle the deck, or that flips the card, I'm sorry. You can shuffle the deck by hitting this one. You can reverse them, so maybe you want to study the suffix meaningful of, example, joyous. Well, that's a big hint. That would be the OUS. And now we could flip the card and we can see how we did. We can flip it back and we can say arrow is air. Excellent. And I know that card, so I'm going to give myself a thumbs up. Abstract, let's say I didn't know that card very well, I can give myself a thumbs down. After I get done studying what all the cards in the deck, you will see, you'll get a progress report and you'll view your performance statistics, and it will tell me that at 6:41 this morning I tried this many times and I did this well. Alright, so now I'm going to restart deck, and you're just going to go ahead and create your 25 flashcards and use this to help you study to learn your choice words. I know this was just a very quick explanation video, but I hope it helped you understand how to create your flashcards and how to help you study from them as you get to know your 25 quote-unquote choice words.